Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View for the Easter weekend in association with Petzl. On Good Friday we have high pressure influencing the country and it's a fair day with lots of sunshine in most places. A chilly start with a touch of frost in many valleys and glens, and temperatures on the mountains will stay near to freezing point but will lift a degree or so above towards the highest tops as we go through the daytime, feeling pleasant in the sunshine and mostly light winds but a bit chilly in a brisk northerly across eastern Scotland and Pennine regions first thing, and tendency that the southeasterly wind will begin to strengthen a bit across western coastal mountains in Scotland as we go through the afternoon. Dry conditions will continue into the weekend, but the main feature is going to be a strengthening southeasterly wind, which will be rather gusty, particularly across western mountains, and will really take the edge off the temperatures, which will be above freezing point to the higher summits, but will feel sub-zero where exposed to that wind. A good deal of sunshine around once more. We may just have some cloud banks dragged in off the North Sea onto some eastern hills, the southeastern highlands perhaps most prone to those, and it could just be thick enough for an odd spot of rain, but most places are dry throughout the day. Some hazy high cloud maybe just ahead of the front out toward the west of Ireland that may just weaken the sunshine across some western regions as we go through the afternoon. The strength of the wind will be the main feature into Easter Sunday, stronger than Saturday across all areas, and in western regions in particular getting towards gale force and very gusty conditions, quite difficult conditions around exposed ridges and summits, but powerful gusts could well affect areas through some of the elevated passes and some of the corries as well, so do be prepared for those rather challenging conditions developing in places. But it looks to be a dry day with a fair amount of sunshine, although more in the way of high cloud across the sky by this stage. The mountains, though, broadly free of any low cloud. We're watching frontal systems coming in from the Atlantic, though, because those bring the threat of some rain as we get into late Sunday evening and overnight into Monday. Those are expected to sweep in with some more extensive rain. That persistent rain is likely to move through as we go into Easter Monday daytime, but leaving a legacy of heavy showers following, and those with some hail and the risk of thunder in places, and will fall as some snow over the higher mountains as temperatures dip near or just below freezing point across the higher tops, particularly in Scotland. So a chilly day, a windy day as well still, with west or southwesterly winds across the country that may touch gale force and quite squally as showers come through. A few bright spells may be around, but always that risk of some heavy showers, and fairly changeable showery weather is looking likely onwards into midweek as well. Enjoy your Easter weekend on the hills if you are heading out. For today, that's your Fleeting View in association with Petzl.